Hey guys, welcome to our Cantonese daily conversation. 5 minutes every day. 廣東話日常用語，每日5分鐘。From wsprachschule.com. My name is Yuki Webster, and I'm going to be with you for next 5 minutes. In the last episode, we have talked about how to express that you did not understand. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to ask people to repeat in a formal way and a casual way. Once you've managed to speak out a few Cantonese words, people start speaking in Cantonese at a normal speed, and you find it difficult to follow. You want to say, "Can you speak slowly?" 你可唔可以講慢啲？你可唔可以講慢啲？你可唔可以講慢啲？ Can you speak slowly? 你可唔可以 Can you 講 to speak or to say 慢啲 slowly? 你可唔可以講慢啲？ Can you speak slowly? You spoke too fast. 你講得太快。你講得太快。你講得太快。You spoke too fast. 你 means you. 講得 means spoke or said. 快 fast. 太快 too fast. 你講得太快。You spoke too fast. 太快 too fast. 太慢 too slow. 太慢 too slow. If you didn't hear what the person said and you would like to hear it again, you could ask to repeat. Can you say that again? 你可唔可以講多次？你可唔可以講多次？你可唔可以講多次？ Can you say that again? 你可唔可以 Can you 講 to speak or to say 多次 again? 你可唔可以講多次？ Can you say that again? In a casual way, you can say, What? 咩話？咩話？咩話？ What did you say? 你講咩話？你講咩話？你講咩話？ Note that in Cantonese, the verb does not change when the situation happens in different time frames, i.e. past, present, or future. There are words to express the time frame. For example, 得 expresses the past. 你講得太快。You spoke too fast. Let's do a little recap. 你可唔可以講慢啲? Can you speak slowly? 你講得太快。You spoke too fast. 你可唔可以講多次? Can you say that again? 咩話? What? 你講咩話? What did you say? Thank you for watching. Oh wait, don't close the window just yet. I have a question for you. In which situation can we say 咩話? Write your answer in the comment area below, and I will see you soon. I will post the link to my website below, so don't forget to sign up to be a member and grab the free learning materials.